This right here is Edifier's affordable entry-level wireless sports IEM featuring IPX5 water resistance as well as magnetic ends. Now the package comes included with the charging cable, a total of 3 earphone sizes and a total of 3 ear tip sizes. Now the earphones right here helps to lock the earbuds into position, making this wireless setup right here, since it's sports based, great for high mobility movement like running, gymming, rock climbing, you name it. Just don't do anything that makes your head pop out and fly away like a ghost. Now it comes in 4 colors as well: red, black, white, silver, and this one right here can be connected to 2 devices simultaneously since it supports Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity with support for Qualcomm aptX. Newer Edifier product range will be app supported, namely the Edifier Connect app that is available for both the Android and iOS device, where you can dive into the settings and fine-tune your timeout, check your battery status, change your EQ settings, and also swipe between songs. That's if you are into the app live. Now, when it comes to the passive sound isolation of this wireless earbuds right here, it's good, it's decent, it's typical of all wireless IEMs in the market. You still hear a little bit of environmental sound. If they make the sound tube longer by 2mm, it will help with the sound isolation and audio signature. Now aside from that, this baby right here is powered by a pair of 10mm neodymium dynamic driver. When it comes to the battery life, the rated battery life is 7 hours. Our battery life test is based on the Samsung S10e at the 4th volume bar, which we got 6 hours and 15 minutes. Now for audio quality test. For pop and EDM, I choose Tian BOK. Low bass frequency is highly energetic and highly notable. You can feel the subtle air pressure movement in your ears. Low bass frequency has no distortion. The subtle bass vibration fades smoothly. The low bass slightly overpowers the vocal in terms of audible level, and the vocals is a tiny bit muffled. For Pia Mia Do It Again, the bass is highly energetic and notable. The bass fades ultra smoothly with a long drag, especially at the 2-minute and 5-second mark, which I do enjoy. The vibrations just feels awesome. The bass and vocals are roughly the same audible level. Both seeking for attention can be a little bit distracting. EDM tone sounds a little bit safe or laid back or lack of energy. For vocals and instrumentals, I chose Violinder Raindrop. The piano and violin tone sounds more like in between the warm sounding type and the crystal clear type. I prefer the full crystal clear type. It needs more shine at the highs to sound lively. The bass and drum does take center stage, while the piano and violin become support. This is not how the song is meant to be. For Pentatonic See-Through, when it comes to Mitch Grass's high-pitched male tenor vocals, it performs good at the highs. A little bit more shine would be nicer. Every diction and pronunciation is clear. Vocal beatboxing, echoing and humming is great, but it's more audible than Mitch Grass's vocal in the song, so it takes away the attention from the main vocals. This is not how the song is meant to be. This wireless sports IEM right here performs well from the ultra lows to the middle frequency, which I wouldn't mind looking at the price point. Priced at sub 100 Malaysian ringgit, so it's affordable to the youngsters and people who is starting into sports, especially if they worry they come a little bit chubby to, oh hell no, fat size. Sports is good and healthy, and this sound signature right here is good for the youngsters who likes pop, EDM and bassy type of feel. So bass heads will love this. Battery life is decent for the price. It has this app where you can fiddle around. Overall, it's comfortable in the ears. So if you're looking for a lightweight alternative that is really affordable, that you want to get into sports lifestyle, the keto lifestyle, the healthy lifestyle, the vegetarian lifestyle, you can get this baby right here. Plus it comes in funny, funky colors, so you can accessorize your lifestyle to be fashionista. If you're interested in this baby right here, links in the video description where you can purchase them, and including the updated price. Remember to comment below what other products we should review next. Remember to like and subscribe and share this video on social media. That will give us the necessary boost to encourage Edifier to give us more fancier stuff for review. If you're interested in other Edifier reviews, you can also check the video description. We also have them. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next audiophile review, which I'm not sure when.